Hey guys, here's some tips to hopefully help you suck less dick at Apex. We'll start with jumping out of the plane. You'll notice the speed meter on the left side. You want to aim down until you're about 140, 150 speed. You then level out, so make yourself flat. Point the direction you want to go until about 120, 130 speed. Aim back down until you're about 140, 150, and then level out. And this is called wiggling, and you're going to keep doing that until you get to the location you want to go. This could be a glitch, but when you get to the end of your jump, aim straight up and then hold right click to look around when you want, and keep holding W, and your character will do like this weird boost thing, and you'll keep skipping and you go a little bit extra distance. Next up is marking. You're going to hit middle mouse to mark a direction you want to go or an item, and then F to mark for enemies. If you aim at the markers you just placed and hit middle mouse, you can remove them. Holding down middle mouse brings up this weird little like cogwheel thing, and it has more options if you want to be more detailed on what you're doing. When an ally marks an item, it'll show up on your UI, and if you aim at it and hit a middle mouse for dibs, it'll stay much longer. Some buildings can't be climbed on unless you use the door to help you get up. So if you go inside the building, close it, and then open it, it'll open the door the opposite direction, and then from there you can get on top of the door and then continue up the building. You can block doors with your body whether you are alive or knocked down, and then when you die, the crate you leave behind also will block the door. Also, while you're knocked down, you can open and close doors still. And for when you're raging, because there's some neckbeard cuck that's laying down or blocking the door and you can't get in, you can kick the door twice to get in or throw a nade at it. Also good to know there is no fall damage, so you can jump off whatever the fuck you want and not die. You can jump off of 1 to 2 story objects and hold control when you land and you will slide. When climbing, you can change direction at the end, so you can turn left or right and get on top of an object easier. Instead of just running with your fists out, you can hold control, and then after a brief slide, hit spacebar, and you'll do a slide jump, and this is much quicker than running. And one last thing to counter those neckbeard caustics. If you aim at the balloon they place and you shoot the bottom of it, it'll actually remove the balloon without exploding the gas, compared to if you just shoot the gas like bag up top. Hopefully some of this helped. I'm probably going to make another video in the future about each individual classes, different things you can do, tips and tricks for them. Yeah, thanks for watching. Check me out on Twitch TV /Chase Hill. I'll have a link in the description, and sub and like and all that dumb shit. Thanks.